I'm Dave, and this is Austin Eats.
Kamado Joe grills are known for their versatility and cooking capabilities, but the right accessories can take your grilling experience to the next level. Over time, I've discovered a handful of accessories that are absolutely worth owning, while others have proven to be, well, more trouble than they're worth. Here's my list of must-have Kamado Joe accessories. Number 1, stainless steel charcoal basket. One of the first accessories I recommend to any Kamado Joe owner is the stainless steel charcoal basket. The simple upgrade significantly improves airflow and makes it easy to separate unburned charcoal from ash. Number 2, a temperature control device like a fireboard. Maintaining a consistent temperature is crucial for low and slow barbecue, and a fireboard temperature controller takes the guesswork out of it. With its automatic fan system and real-time temperature tracking using an app, you can set your desired temperature and let the fireboard do the work. Number 3, cast iron grates. If you like big sear marks on your burgers and steaks, you should upgrade to cast iron grates. Unlike standard stainless steel grates, cast iron grates retain heat better and create exceptional grill marks on steaks, burgers, and even vegetables. Number 4, half moon griddle plate. A half moon griddle plate expands the Kamado Joe's versatility by allowing you to sear steaks, cook smash burgers, and more. It's the right tool when you need a flat cooking surface. For a great sear, I like to get it up to about 700 to 800 degrees Fahrenheit before putting down a steak. Also, the backside has a ridged surface which works great for things like panini sandwiches and grilled vegetables. Number 5, rotisserie. The rotisserie adds a powerful rotisserie to the Kamado Joe. I like to use it for whole chickens, prime rib, and pork roast. The constant rotation ensures even cooking and makes juicy meats that are self-basting. Number 6, a discata. A discata, also known as a cowboy wok, is a great accessory when you need to cook a lot of food. This large concave cooking surface allows me to cook a variety of dishes you wouldn't normally associate with a ceramic grill, like stir fries, fajitas, breakfast potatoes, and more. Here's my list of Kamado Joe accessories that I do not recommend. Number 1, soapstone. While the idea of a non-stick surface that holds heat well sounds great, the soapstone was a disappointment. It takes a long time to heat up, it's hard to clean, it's fragile, and it can crack easily. I once cooked fish on it and was not able to get the stains off the soapstone, so in the trash it went. Number 2, a dojo. I think that the Dojo pizza attachment is an accessory that is not necessary. You can achieve just as good pizza results with a high-quality pizza stone inside the Kamado Joe. Number 3, slow roller. The slow roller is designed to enhance smoke circulation for better flavor and heat distribution. The Kamado Joe already provides great smoke flavor without it. Number 4, a paella pan. The paella pan doesn't add much functionality beyond what a good cast iron skillet or discata can achieve. Number 5, a wok. A wok is another accessory I think is unnecessary. There are other options like a discata that do the same thing with greater surface area and for less money. While the right Kamado Joe accessories can make grilling easier and more enjoyable, some accessories are not worth the investment and can be easily replaced by better alternatives. I have a new cookbook coming out. Go to my website at amzn.to and sign up to get notified when it becomes available. No spam, I promise. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time on Austin Eats.